Polly and the rest of her friends be okay? No worries, Mr. Mouseling. Your daughter and her friends are going to be fine. We'll keep them hospitalized for the weekend, and then we gave them a special treatment for the bee stings. Yeah, I agree with what she said. But there's one thing I'm concerned. How did the beehive get under the table in the first place? Yeah, that's what I want to know. Whoever's responsible for injuring me and my friends is going to be sorry. Dad, we have security footage of the backyard. Perhaps you should open the footage on your phone to see the culprit. Good idea. I'll check it out on my phone. Huh? I did it. I placed the beehive under the table. The little kids were so scared they'd run away. They must have suffered from being stung by those bees. That was so hilarious. Romeo, get your black and white butt downstairs right now. You're in a lot of trouble. Oh crap. I'm busted. What is it, cowboy? And who are these people? Well, these friends came to our house and told us that you used a beehive under the table while their kids were in their spring party. They were attacked and stung by bees, and now they end up in the hospital. I agree with Catboy. Is this true? As a matter of fact, yes, it is true. I put a beehive under the table while the kids were having their spring party. But I only did that as a joke. Funny, right? No, it's not. That was completely stupid of you for doing something like that. Do you know that bee stings can cause serious injury? Those kids are seriously injured from the bee stings. It also can cause them dead if they get stung a lot. But luckily, they only have a few stings. Because of this, you are grounded for 3 weeks. And until all Octonauts above and beyond receive a 3rd season. And by the way, you friends had to pay $1,000 for our daughter's hospital bill. Same with baby barnacles. Same with baby Quasi and with baby Peso. Huh? $1,000 for each hospital bill? That's the total of $4,000. I agree, Gecko. Oh, that will take a long time to get all that type of money. That is so it. You are grounded until we pay off all the bills. Go to your room right now. Oh, this instant minute. You pathetic scientist.